How to use your mind. In the heart of a remote mountain village, nestled amidst the rugged peaks, there lived a young man. His reputation spread far and wide, not for his physical strength or wealth, but for his remarkable intelligence. He possessed an uncanny ability to solve complex puzzles and answer the most difficult questions with ease. People from distant places would seek him out, hoping to tap into his wisdom. One day, a traveler arrived from a distant land. He had heard of the young man's extraordinary intellect and sought an audience with him. When they finally met, the traveler bowed respectfully and said, "O wise Zen master, I have traveled a long way to seek your guidance. I have a question that has troubled me for years. How can I use my mind to its fullest potential?" The Zen master, with a gentle smile, invited the traveler to join him on a walk through the lush forest that surrounded the village. As they walked side by side, the Zen master remained silent, and the traveler grew increasingly impatient. Surely, he thought, such a renowned sage would provide an immediate and profound answer. After a long walk, they reached a serene pond deep within the forest. The water was crystal clear, reflecting the surrounding trees and the sky. The Zen master gestured toward the pond and said, "Look at this pond, my friend. What do you see?" The traveler peered into the water. "I see fish swimming gracefully," he replied, "and I see my own reflection." The Zen master nodded and then handed the traveler a small pebble. "Now," he said, "take this pebble and throw it into the pond." The traveler did as instructed, causing ripples to spread across the water. He watched as the fish scattered, disturbed by the disturbance he had created. The once calm surface now danced with movement. The Zen master asked, "What do you see now?" The traveler observed the water. "The water is no longer calm," he said. "The fish are agitated, and my reflection is distorted." The Zen master smiled. "You see, my friend, the mind is like this pond. When it is calm and still, you can see things clearly, just as you saw the fish and your reflection. But when you introduce disturbances, worries, desires, and impatience, the mind becomes agitated and clarity is lost." The traveler understood. "So," he said, "to use my mind to its fullest potential, I must cultivate inner calm and stillness." "Yes," the Zen master affirmed. "Practice mindfulness. Let go of unnecessary disturbances. When the mind settles, wisdom arises naturally. Just as the pond reflects the world when undisturbed, your mind will reveal its true brilliance." And so, in that tranquil forest, the traveler learned a profound lesson. He vowed to carry this wisdom with him, not only in his travels but in the journey of life itself. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.